connect domain to Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a domain to Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser and then sign into your account, and then head over into the Apps tab. So on the Apps tab, go ahead and select a specific project where you want to add a domain to. So for example, I want to add a domain for this project. So simply select the project and then head over into the dashboard of that project. So once you're on the dashboard, go ahead and head over into the domains tab. And then from here, you'll be able to find this custom domains tab. So to be able to add custom domains, you need to upgrade your plan to builder or above. So click on this. So make sure that you upgrade your plan to be able to add a custom domain to your website. Now, if you have upgraded your plan, you need to enter your custom domain. Base44 will provide DNS records that you need to configure with your domain register and then update DNS settings. So log into your domain provider, add the DNS records provided by Base44, save and apply the changes, verify and activate, and return to Base44 and click on verify. So DNS changes can take up to 72 hours to propagate. Once verified, your site will be live on your custom domain. And that is how you can basically connect domain to Base44.